Hello all, welcome back. Today's video is all about modules, what a module is, what the size should be, and what all things you need to be taken into consideration when you buy a modules. Now, like you can see these things, each section is called cells. So in a modules it comes in different sizes and shapes, and there are some modules that is 12, some are 9, some are 40. It depends on your space and your preferences. So the cells in these modules actually, each cell has to be at least 5 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter in depth. So the reason for that is you can plant anything from beetroot to cauliflowers or cabbages, whatever it is. So like this particular module that I just hold is 12 sections, and this particular one is 9 sections actually, so it is a bit more bigger. But this particular one, it has 40 cells in this. And the good thing about this particular module is you can divide this into 4 equal parts of 12. So for your, if you have space to put all 40, you can keep it. If not, you can break it into 10 separate sections. Now this particular one here is again 12, but the good thing is it comes with a tray, so if you water it, the water can stay under the tray. And but the only problem with that is it only comes in 3 centimeters in depth, so you can't put anything like cabbages or cauliflowers, but you can definitely plant lettuce in this. And it has a cover which gives it extra warmth and the moisture stays in. But you don't have to buy this because it is more expensive than the other one, so you can just buy these ones, and this is fine for you. Now let's see how we can fill a module. Now whenever you fill a module, you can fill it with homemade compost or multi-purpose compost you buy from any stores. I always recommend homemade compost. If not, you can buy some organic compost, or if it's not possible, just buy some multi-purpose compost, is still alright. The only thing you need to take into consideration is when you fill the modules, you have to push it right inside. Otherwise, when you take your plants out, it can break, and it depends actually. If it is like runner beans or peas or cauliflowers or things like that, it has enough root to hold the soil, it won't break. But if you keep any lettuce or something, but a quick advice on lettuce: whenever you plant a lettuce, you need to put something called vermiculite. So mix some vermiculite with the multi-purpose compost whenever you plant lettuce. The other things you can just put directly in, keep the soil directly into this and fill it. So fill it as much you can, and the next thing is, before you put your seeds in this, water it completely, soak it. So the reason for that is, if you soak it properly, you don't have to water it for another at least 3 weeks. You don't have to water the modules at all. Once you soak it, keep your modules aside. And now this is a cauliflower seed. Like seeds are cheaper, so it's available anywhere from any garden shops. Seeds are not too expensive, and if you put, for example, 10 seeds, you should be really lucky to get at least 6 seeds germinating. So make sure that you put at least 3 or 4 seeds in each cells, and if you get more than what you need, just take it out and replant it somewhere else, or just throw it away. Like I said, seeds are not too expensive. You can put more seeds. And I would recommend highly to get a module which is like 5 centimeter in width and in depth. Make sure you get some decent ones, because there are some modules that you get very, very flimsy. You don't have to buy those, because you might be able to, you should be lucky to use once or twice, but you need to get a proper hard ones. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.